Why did birds poop in my bathtub? Are these bird poops? Like, what? Just get out of here. I think I should get a new bathtub. Is there any guys that can help me? No? Okay. Well, are these things spongified? I have to spongify a bird poop. Like, why not? Oh my. Oh my. Water is crazy in Algadoo. Is this the spongified piece? Or is that it? Oh, this is a spongified piece. This is a spongified piece. Well, I coughed too much in the bathtub. That's what happens when you cough in the bathtub. Your bathtub just explodes. Yeah. Remember the movie? I don't think people really liked that movie too much. I think somebody unsubscribed. And I think it might be Algadoo Man himself unsubscribe. Like, what? And I found this YouTube channel that was playing Algadoo. And they said they were a good animator. Like, that's not animating, that's Algadoo. I animate, I draw pictures. My channel picture got updated. But anyway, let's get to mollifying, spongify this entire project. Wait, I just realized something. How did I think of that? You know what I'm gonna do. If you don't know, then you're about to find out. There you go. You guys still don't know how to do this, so I'm going to show you again. Go to motor. It's spinning the right way. So this. No, we shouldn't do too fast. Let's just do 270. Go to axles, motor. It's spinning the wrong way, so go to reverse to go to there and go to there. There you go. It's all ready. And now it's time to get the shredding. Oh my. Maybe it needs help or something. Let's just get rid of all that. And go up here and hit erase all water. It's erased. He landed all the way over here. Next to the cookie? Like what? Let me get out that way. Okay, bud. Let's fill this tub with water, and there's only really one way to do that. I mean, it's get a lot. Oh, look at that. Let's get it bigger. Go to liquefy. Oh, look at that. That kind of looks weird. They're all just bouncing all over the place. Wait, is the game about to crash? I saw a loading thing pop up. But that looks weird. Spongifying is when the thing is like all gooey and stuff. It's like water, but it sticks together. And in a solid is it can't really move unless it gets hit really hard. But I'm about to chop the whole thing in half right now. Maybe. No. Or not. Because we're not lucky enough to do this. They're scared. It's like, it has to not be me. It has, and I think I saw something fell off. Whoever they are down. Now we're gonna get deeper. He's like, please not be me, please not be me. Another great thing fell down. Oh, you can see the indent going around. Look at that's the first indent, that's the second one. Let's see if we can see the third one. Oh, that's gonna be huge. Are you ready? Oh, we didn't even see it. Look at how big that was. Oh yeah, you can definitely see that. How about I just do this, like, you know, chomp down individual pieces. Oh, that was so weird looking. Does you guys see that? We have to do it to the blue thing, or height. We cannot. Oh, we need to cut. We have to have some places cut. What you're about to see is just crazy, I think. Hopefully. If it works, it's gonna be weird. Oh! That was crazy. But now these aren't shredders. So now we have to undo time, and for some reason undoing time is so laggy now. And time has been undone. Why is this one spinning so fast? You need help? I think this is spinning fast, but water is crazy. But we have to get some more shredding because I don't think we have too much time to regard left. So let's get this square, and you know what's gonna happen next. Help. It's okay. You're just gonna get chomped up into a million pieces. And then you go through the shredder and probably get chomped into more of millions of pieces. Need some help there, need some help over there. And that should be all the cuts. There you go, are you ready? Yeah, I think I broke it. Let me undo time. Hurry, undo it, undo time. Hurry. It's too late. The game crashed. Is it? We have to undo the life of this circle. I don't know if there's any other options. We're just gonna have to go in there and erase. If you guys don't know how to race, I guess I'll show you today too. If the game still, is working, then yeah. I'm gonna have to do some erasing. I'm gonna have to erase the whole map. Well, if it loads, then yeah. And loading, I don't think it's gonna do. There you go. That was pretty easy, but it reset itself, so. Here we are. Oh, look at how, you guys don't realize how big these things are because they're fat. Yeah. Whoa. But anyway, we can get back to these squares. If this crashes the game again, I cannot enter the world anymore. You know that world? I can physically not enter it anymore. It's deleted forever. So I guess no more movies on the channel. Sorry. That's what happens when you get a little too crazy, I would say. But I mean, it's all worth it, right? It is totally worth it. Look at all the crazy we're gonna have today. If the game loads, then we're gonna have fun. The game will crash again, and I do not want that. The only thing I want is that to happen. Oh no! If the game is gonna crash. Here it comes. It's gonna want waiting. It is flowing through and it's gonna hit the water. It's like jetting it down. I would not want to be the water right now. I would probably not want to be the bathtub. The bathtub's like, why do I have to deal with this? The bathtub's peeing, it looks like. It's so scared. It's peeing. And you have to bring out Mr. Eraser to start erasing. Look at that. It just erases. Oh, that might help the lag erasing the nearby stuff. What is happening to Algadoo? What is this that? Well, I think that's the end of the video. Who knows what happened at Algadoo today? But bye. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.
The ground is covered in snow, and I'm driving through the road, and it's turning into ice with the help of little mice, and the snow is turning black in the corner of the road, and in the summertime, when the snow melts, we go to Hawaii and have fun!